Welcome back for your report of findings. So what we're going to do today is just share some information with you on how the technology works, what's unique about the Joint Lab and our systems and protocols, and how this is going to be of benefit for you. So the first visit that you had was a mapping session. Now that session was simply to figure out if you are a candidate for care. So what we were doing during that session was looking for hotspots. Now, hotspots are going to be indicative of soft tissue damage and or inflammation. So if you're here now and we found those spots that were sensitive, you're definitely a candidate for care. So now we're going to go into and explain exactly what the technologies do and how they benefit you. So we start with the soft wave, which is the foundation of the Joint Lab and what's going to actually get your body healthier and get it back to normal and get you back to doing the things that you love doing. So basically what happens with soft wave is it is a pure sound wave that travels at over 3,300 miles per hour through the cellular tissue. What it's mimicking and neurologically tricking the body into thinking is that there's an injury taking place with each wave that goes through. Now it's non-traumatic, so there's no harm to your body. It's just tricking it into thinking there's something wrong. So it's going to send all of the resources in order to start healing that damaged area. So the things that it's going to do is work on reducing inflammation. It's going to increase blood flow. It's going to break through scar tissue, and then it's going to actually start to recruit your body's own stem cells, growth factors, initiate protein synthesis, and activate collagen so the tissue actually heals. So these are the benefits of soft wave, and with the continued treatment and the protocol that is best for you will actually induce long-term healing. And what is one of the amazing benefits about it is at a minimum of 8 to 12 weeks post-treatment, so not receiving any other treatment, your body will continue to go through and heal on its own. And what's unique about our office is the additional therapies that we have to support the soft wave treatment. So we have compression, which is going to literally increase the lymphatic drainage and increase blood flow, so we have better circulation in the area that is damaged. We have our pulse electromagnetic frequency machine, also known as the PEMF device. Now this one is absolutely amazing. What it does is charges the batteries of your cell. So anytime there is a damaged area or a cell is inflamed or the tissue is damaged, what happens to that frequency of the cell is it lowers. So the communication, which slows down the healing process, is happening at that moment. What the PEMF machine is doing is charging those batteries and increasing the vibrational state so everything communicates better. We also have our knee on track device. Now this is special for those people that have degenerative knees or certain conditions within their knee, which we will go over, that will be of more benefit to you. And simply what that is doing is decompressing the joint and taking stress off all of the tissue that is compressing in the cartilage there and help open up, freeing that motion so you have better range of motion, decrease the stress of the tissue there, so that way we just help that tissue heal faster. The other therapy that we have available is our vibration plate therapy. And what we do on that is simply stretch the muscles and provide isometric strengthening. So as your body is changing and you increase your range of motion, we also want to create more stability so that joint becomes stronger. So that's what we do with the vibrational therapy as well. So based on your specific condition and needs and the targets in which you want to achieve, now we will begin to talk about what that specific protocol looks like for you to actually get better, heal your body, and get back to the things that you enjoy doing. And here's the best part. Once we complete the protocol and your body starts to heal, then you are doing everything on your own. This is not one of those treatments or protocols that you become dependent on for the rest of your life in order to feel better. Now, there are certain situations and cases that may require longer treatment than what we normally go through, but we will speak to you about that in a few minutes. So thank you for being here, and we'll see you in a few minutes in the office.